Hey everybody, this is Casey with Fire and Ice. Just want to show you this new ductless mini split system by Carrier that we installed over the last couple of days for a customer in Glen Ellen. There's the line sets from units inside, so the air handler units of this AC heat pump system. You have drains from one unit taking the condensation water from the inside unit, and you could probably barely hear this unit. It is so quiet. This unit by Carrier, it is awesome. All right, so here is one of the inside air handler head units from our Carrier ductless mini split system. It's boost mode, and it is dramatically cooling this house down fast. I mean, this house had no cooling in it at all. Now they have a ductless mini split system throughout, 5 interior heads. There's our wireless thermostat. Here's another one of the inside air handler heads. And the units just look so clean on the wall. Can't even tell that they were put in. All right, so here's the 3rd floor attic that was converted into, it's gonna be like another bedroom or office. But here's another one of the inside heads. You can see the drain coming out of the unit. Exit to the outside, and then there's the line sets that connect it to the outdoor unit. Again, this is our Carrier ductless mini split system.